Hey, what's going on you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can crossplay Minecraft Dungeons from PS4 and Xbox. Alright, so let's start. So first open up Minecraft in your PS4 and go to the game setting by pressing the right bumper on your controller. After this one, select a game. And here you should see an option that says configure online play. Now select this one. Now make sure that crossplay is enabled inside this menu. Alright, now the next time you run this game on your PS4 or PS5, you will be able to access the online menu and you can start inviting your friends to crossplay in Minecraft Dungeons. So for Xbox users, this is enabled by default, which makes it easier for them to do it. Alright, so that would be all for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.